So if I own a rental property in Griffin, Georgia, how do I know what I should rent it for and what is the market doing? One of the first things you want to think about is when you have a rental property is you got to make sure you understand some key factors and data when you're assessing what the rent is and what the market's doing. Hey everyone, I'm Steve Rosenberg and I'm head of investor education for Mind Property Management. If you like this information, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe below so you can get more information like this in the future. So when it comes to having a rental property, how do you even know what it will rent for if you haven't had it available in a couple of years? We all know the market changes, and a lot of times we don't know if the market's going up or going down. We always hope that it's going up, but markets are cyclical, and sometimes when there's price and demand, maybe in the summertime it's higher, maybe in the wintertime it's lower. So you've got to make sure that you're looking at what the current market is doing so that you know you're making a smart decision when it comes to getting your property rented. That's the first thing you got to do. Second thing you got to do is you got to make sure that when you're assessing an area and you want to know should you put this property on the market is what is the trend of the city? Meaning, are there more jobs coming in? Are jobs leaving? How are people doing commuting to a bigger city? These are all things that you want to look at. And remember, the data and the numbers will give you an answer. And that's what's important as an investor. It's not off of gut feelings. It's definitely not off of what things were at one time. It's what they are right now and what the facts are telling you. So when you look at Griffin, Georgia, right now you're looking at about a 22,000, about 23,000 population. And there's about 8,900 households in Griffin. So it's not a very big area. What's interesting though is that the median house price is well below the national average of about $140,000. And job growth and year-over-year growth have definitely increased values. So it's definitely an increasing city. We all know that areas like Atlanta and other places are doing very well. Mind Property Management manage a lot of properties in this area. So it's something that we know and data that we have. Right now, the job employment growth has gone up at a rate of 6% from 8.4% to about 9,000 employees. So again, it's telling us information that this is a good market and the numbers are good. You always want to make sure that you can rent out your property if cash flow is your goal, or if appreciation is your goal, or if it's just debt pay down. You want to base that on facts and figures. And again, at Mind Property Management, we have proprietary information, and we can help you make smart decisions on whether or not your property should rent out for a certain amount, how many days you should expect the property to be vacant for, what the average turn time is. These are things that we can help you because we manage so many properties here in the Griffin area. If you'd like to talk to us, you can go to our website at mynd.co. It's mind.co. There we can help you with a strategic conversation, and we can also give you a free rental analysis of your property. If you click on the link below, we can give you an analysis so that you can determine whether or not your property will rent for what you think it will rent for, because again, the numbers. And again, we have boots on the ground. We have people in the local area, which is really what you want. When you have a rental property, you want to make sure that you have local people helping you to assess your property, to give you smart direction and making sure that it aligns with your goals and it's part of your strategy. If for some reason Griffin is not the area that you want to invest in and you want to invest in other parts of Atlanta or maybe even other markets, Mind is in 19 different markets nationwide. So whether you want to invest in maybe Tampa or Charlotte, or you want to go to Houston, Texas, Dallas, Phoenix, Vegas, Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, any of these markets, we have management services for you. So you can buy multiple properties in multiple markets and have one streamlined service. Or we can just talk about helping you out here in Griffin, and that's another strategy for you. Again, whatever your strategy is we can help you. We have a great 3-tiered pricing structure that you want to find out and look up. It's at mind.co. You can find out which one is best for you. And again, go to our website at mynd.co where we can help you and give you a strategic conversation to make sure that we can help you achieve your goals. I'm Steve Rosenberg from Mind Property Management. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you next time.